To acclimate yourself to the new array interface, simply take a command that you already understand, like a polar array, and work your way through the new features, noting the differences. Before you know it, you'll be familiar with it. So here we go. We'll go ahead and select a polar array function, select this shrub, which we're going to array around this larger tree. We'll finalize our selection set, and then pick the center point of our array. Now, one thing that you'll notice immediately is that a certain default number of objects for the polar array have popped up. And if you're coming from an older release, you're also probably surprised by the extensive nature of the ribbon that we see along the top of the screen. Also in AutoCAD 2013, the new command prompt here has clickable links, which we could now use. So whether you'd like to perform editing and previewing operations on the parameters of this array using the command prompt or the ribbon tab, really a matter of preference. It'll work either way. So let's go ahead and change this from 6 polar items around here to 8. I'll do this with a ribbon interface. And we'll just click in here and we'll see the preview update itself. Now we could have performed that same functionality over here by simply picking the items, and we could override that to 10, let's say. Here at the command line, and we'd see that updated as well as fed back into the ribbon tab up top. So getting your array finalized is really just a matter of kind of experimentation and figuring out exactly how many items you want. At some point, you've achieved the desired result, and you simply acknowledge everything with a final enter, just as if you would have done in prior releases. And that's it for constructing an array. Constructing things like polar, rectangular, and path arrays are going to be very similar. So once you get used to this interface, you're going to understand how to create everything else.